Here I have SONY Xperia XZ2, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or a series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can find burst with camera key. So firstly you have to enable this feature, and to take a burst shot you have to hold down power key and take a lot of different shots. So as you can see, here I have this burst shot. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.